Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Poonam Solanki and I am Director of Deep Homeopathy and Psychology Clinic. Today as a diet expert, I am going to share my experience how to cope up with aging with healthy nutrition. Nutrition is a play very important role in every stage of life, but in aging it's play a crucial role. Aging is a permanent thing that happens to everybody. So today we are going to discuss about this, how can we cope up the age and age related problems. In my day-to-day practice, patients usually come and ask, ma'am, how can we prevent and how can we delay the aging things and age-related problem? So I can say we cannot prevent, but yes, we can delay. And we avoid age-related problem like heart ailments, BP problems, and diabetes and thyroid. But you have to stop thinking and start working, because at the age of 40 is a turning point of your life. So it's going to be change, massive change in structure and functional change in your body. Right? So what we supposed to do? Yes, in female we have to, this is the age for the menopausal stage in mid 40s, like 45s to between 50. So there is a loss of calcium because loss of less level of estrogen leads to loss of calcium from the bones that lead to weakness and bone related problem like arthritis. So we advise increase your calcium in terms of diet like dairy products and green leafy vegetables, and we advise the phytoestrogen in the form of food like soya bean and flaxseed. That helps to go through the smooth menopausal stage and helps to prevent mood swings also. In male, we advise them just limit your carbohydrate diet, increase your protein and increase your fiber. That is the only thing which they have to maintain, because the weight is the only thing that have to take care of at the age of 40. In post 50, the diet things both same for both. We increase the calcium also in the form of supplement. Now dietary supplement will not help that, so we recommend the dietary supplement in the form of calcium. Now fiber is also play an important role. So limit your carbohydrates, limit your protein, increase fiber and increase calcium supplement. So post 60, what we supposed to do? We supposed to take care of fiber and we supposed to take care of water, because these are the two which are act as a multivitamin also and a medicines also, because the bowel movement play a crucial role in the aging. If your bowel movements are not clear, toxic deposit in the body and lead to so many diseases. So we are supposed to take care of our bowel movement by increasing water intake at least 2.5 liter in a day, respective of your health issues. And fiber intake play very important role to clear your bowel movements. So my advice to them, follow this diet instruction to avoid aging or to avoid age related problem. If you find my video to helpful, please share to your friends and your relatives. Thank you.